Alright, we have Sal's keys. We just stole Sal's car.
Don't mind us.
10 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Yeah, but you said 10. I made 8. We meet in the middle of 9, almost 30 minutes.
This thing looks like a legitimate Batman.
You get the easy job.
Oh, I always have the easy job.
Well, you know, today's Monday, and we got end of the week, maybe Saturday, maybe Sunday. We have to have the cars loaded Sunday night and leave 4 a.m. on Monday morning, so get there midday. So this particular car is pretty much done. We're waiting for exhaust, tune, and downpipe to come in, and the rear bumper is getting clear coated. We're hoping this will be done by Wednesday latest, so we can go ahead and do all of our graphics and all the little detail work on it. McLaren, honestly, I see the bumper still needs to be painted, so hopefully they're gonna shoot that tonight. Again, Wednesday, we have this week, so
yeah, everything is crunched this week.
Everything's crunched this week
To finish 3 cars
and not just any cars.
Yeah. Oh no.
Three big projects. This weren't just, you know, let's just lower it, let's just wrap over the paint.
Yeah.
And over the body kit, and we deal with it later. They've been full color changes. You know, this was a blue car, went to black. That was a matte gray car, went to black. Same customer bought both of these cars, so he wanted a match.
Oh, nice.
So yeah,
okay.
he wanted all black. So, and you know, the
Porsche was already black, thankfully.
Thankfully,
the one of them.
That's the only one he hasn't sold. So,
Yeah.
but that was a big job. You know, he's the first full-on tech car that we've done that is actually been done in the U.S. So there was a lot of learning curve for all of us to figure out. We're still trying to figure out, but it seems like it's everything coming together. You know, last day is where where the shit's.
We were joking that we're gonna put wheels on in the SEMA booth.
Yeah, well, I just heard that the tires that Toyo sent is not gonna fit on the car.
Oh.
So we're working with Toyo to try to get some stuff overnight and stuff like that. You know, it's never gonna stop. Crunch, SEMA Crunch is always gonna be there. So
I'm glad that I had you for more than like 30 seconds today.
Thanks,
It's
man.
good to see you.
Well, we already started on new projects. You
I know.
See, we already started on the 22 Rover Onyx project. So we're already get going. We got cars coming in.
Yeah.
We have 4 new builds coming in as we speak for after the SEMA. You know, we can't stop
Can't
because
stop, won't stop.
SEMA is happening. But a few of the guys are coming to SEMA. The rest want to, you know, obviously have to stay and hold the floor down. I mean, you're one of them that's gonna come. So
I'll be there.
You get the easy job.
Oh, I always have the easy job. Later, buddy.
I mean, it works.
Yeah. So it's a duster. It's just this. It's all you do is this.
Alright, we have Sal's keys.
Right where his keys were too.
Grand Theft Auto.
Dude, he didn't come outside.
Dude, he didn't come outside. You gotta do like one rip. No, he's still. I don't think he notices.
Oh, how do I do traction? Oh, there's traction.
So, we just stole Sal's car.
Yo, don't mind us.
Yeah.
No, do we think he'll know? I'm trying to be loud.
I don't think he noticed, I'll be honest.
Oh, dude.
I don't think he noticed. He's got Yorkies!
Yeah, that motherfucker.
Dude, he's got Yorkies!
Oh.
Dude, no fucking way!
Oh, you don't even know how to do a Bernie in that thing. Yo, fucking Sal.
Just park it sideways right here. I can't do one!
Can't even burn out.
This must be the. So this is the last of
The shipment.
the shipment.
Yeah. I'm glad they all made it in time.
Yeah, well, Now it's our job to get it done.
Oh wow. Wow.
Oh, this is for your book. They take their job seriously.
Can't miss a beat. So it looks like this is the new steering wheel.
You pay for what you get. It's not a cheap product. You know, the cost of the build is as much as cost of the
Wow. Suede leather.
Mm-hmm.
That is beautiful.
To match the car. Thicker.
Oh man.
Very nice.
Paddle shifters come with it too. Color matched.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't got to do it yourself.
That's true. Yeah, with the little red. Yeah. Super nice.
Well, the good thing is the interior is already red.
Yeah.
So
Exactly, yeah.
it'll match with it easily.
Oh, what this is a $1,200 racing stripe, if that's what this is. Like, oh, we can just wrap it. No, we have a special company that makes this stripe for us.
Like, is it hand stitched or like?
I don't know. We'll see if this is it. How it looks.
Oh, pedals.
Gas pedals, yeah.
What?
So these are all gotta go to Ryan. Ryan. So there's no stripe. You didn't see stripe in here.
No. Oh, these guys are taking everything over.
And the
All pedals.
gas pedals, yeah.
Hell yeah, easy. This is slick.
Yeah.
And it goes perfect with our interior.
So you didn't see the stripe in here?
Not in there.
What else do we have?
Just be a vinyl?
I don't know, man. I don't know what a $1,200 stripe looks like. So.
Last time I remember, stripes are worth like what, $60 in a wrap shop?
No, I mean custom stripes are, $1,200. Yeah, it's.
Dang.
Da-da-da-da.
The $1,200 stripe
Yeah.
by 3M. Wow. Number 13 out of 87. That's sleek.
13. I don't know what. Lucky 13 or lucky 7 or lucky 13?
More of a
It's 7.
7.
Memphis, man.
All right, guys, so it is Friday before SEMA. All the cars have to get loaded onto transport and go to SEMA in 2 days. By the time you guys see this, it will probably be Monday or Tuesday. So SEMA is either tomorrow or today. These cars are absolutely insane. The Porsche is done, the McLaren is done, and the Aventador is getting wrapped up. We're getting wheels, getting tires, getting the final touches. Wow, Tech Art Porsche is all done. Dude, this rear, wow. This rear spoiler is insane. Look at that. What? Wow, this car looks awesome. This looks way better, in my opinion, than a GT3 RS. Look at that. Gonna get some nice wheels on this. Just doing all of the finishing touches. It's gonna go through a full color correction. We are about to head to WSI, Wheel Specialist, and get the wheels for, dun, 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 dun. Look at the Aventador. Holy shit. This thing looks so awesome. It's about 6 inches wider than stock on each side. Look at how aggressive those fenders are. You got the rear fascia. Oh,
So you
dude,
can
this
go
thing
right in
looks
there.
sick.
I know, it looks crazy.
This looks good.
It looks pretty cool. Let me see what you do with my design.
You ready for me? I'm gonna be around the house today, though.
You got it, bro.
This is what SEMA CRUNCH does to Sai Solari. Yeah, Palmer picked a good day not to show up.
Yeah.
Now we have our bus driver, Sai Solari, here.
I hope he's okay.
He's fine.
You think so?
Yeah, I think he's fine.
Well, we're 2 of my cars gonna leave tonight, and then 2 will leave sometime tomorrow or Sunday, and I'm gonna be up there on Monday by noon.
All right, so we are here at WSI, dropping off the McLaren wheels. I have to
Badass.
see this McLaren.
It's not McLaren wheels, is it?
Oh, it's the Aventador wheels. Oh, okay.
Let's go, let's go.
Oh, some AL13s. Okay.
These are super special wheels, man.
Are they? Are they 3-piece or deep dish or what?
Wait until.
Come on.
Wait until
All
I
right.
open one up.
Look at Sai's getting his
Stand
gym
around,
day in. I'm doing my job.
And look at me sweat.
Next time, drop them in the back.
Why? We're gonna do them work here. The back ain't gonna do shit.
Everything has to be dropped back there.
Not
boss
for,
finally
not, not for side, bro.
Yeah, we gotta get the boss finally working.
Boss is finally working.
That's right in front of the front line.
All right, Sai is gonna open up these wheels. These are gonna be for the Aventador. Oh, hell yeah.
Look at these things.
Oh, that looks good. I love the,
Yeah, the windows.
yeah.
These.
Dude, that looks really good. So 3-piece?
Yeah, 3-piece.
Forge?
Yep. Forge, yeah. With
Oh,
the
yeah.
brand new style they just came out with.
Other SEMA projects we're working on.
Yeah,
Everybody's
but
got to have it
this
right
is-
now.
No,
right
this-
now.
No, I made
Right
an
now.
appointment 10 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
Yeah, but you said 10. I made 8. We meet in the middle of 9. I'm only 30 minutes in.
Okay.
So.
I'll let you know when it's done.
No, bro.
I will. I'll let you know when
No,
it's done.
let's right now. Get somebody on it right now, please.
I can't. I don't have anybody that can do it right now. I will.
You promise?
I'll get it done.
Because there's a lot of more other things I gotta do. Okay, I tell you this.
Bro, Sai is always trying to put somebody together. He is working his magic. Look at him. Look at him. Just weaseling his way in
Try
there.
to negotiate. I have a balance with them, you know. It's
Oh.
always an ongoing balance. And I'm like, I'll make you a deal. You get them done by noon, you're gonna get the balance paid in full
Oh.
today.
All right, we're at Color Bomb. This thing, holy
Some
shit.
raggedy Honda wheels on it.
Oh my god, this thing looks insane.
It's not gonna kill a couple of days.
I never saw it with the front bumper on.
I know.
Dude, this thing looks crazy. This is the one I'm driving at SEMA.
That's good.
Look at how aggressive. This thing looks like a legitimate Batmobile.
No, don't say that.
Dude!
Don't say
Jerry! What's up? What do you think of this thing?
This thing's fucking awesome, man.
Dude, this is probably one of my favorite cars that we've built. This thing is crazy, and you guys are just doing some decals on it?
Yeah.
I'm loving the,
The Halloween costume.
dude,
Thank
I'm
you.
loving it. Some Tiger King?
Yep, Joe Exotic.
Got
Joe
you.
Exotic, exactly.
What do you think of the McLaren? I mean, we built a lot of cars.
Bro, I can't, you know, it's like you can't fall in love. It's like having
I know,
20
yeah, you
kids. You can't fall in love with one of them. So you love them all, right?
Never get high on your own supply.
Supply. I'm excited about the Aventador. I don't like the Aventador because they drive like shit.
Yeah.
They really do.
Yeah.
But that car, I think by the
It's gonna
time
look
it's
sick.
all what I have in my mind, if
Yeah.
I can pull it off, it's gonna be fucking
Oh.
wicked.
God, this thing
What's up, buddy?
is fucking what? Oh my god, chassis mounted wing. Oh man, guys at Color Bomb
Then I think
in here putting in work.
is
Wow.
if we're doing these in yellow,
Wheels not ready yet, obviously, but once the wheels are on this thing, it's gonna set it off.
but